this thing out. That's nice. So this is the actual wrench that we will use. Now this is the 480 millimeter version. Oh, it's heavy. Oh yeah. Check this thing out. That's nice. And it's plenty heavy that we can push on it with an excavator to tighten it nice and thick. Alright, let's get started. I think we have the correct tools we need. Someday, I'd like to build me an actual cylinder rebuilding shed. That'd be nice to have. Actually put the cylinder in it and be able to tear it apart. And then have a hydraulic cylinder that moves your wrench to tighten things up. And have a way to tell the right torque on everything. So it's pretty simple to put on. Basically like a big crescent wrench, basically. Just an adjustable wrench. Get it on there and tighten the bolts up. There we go. The heavier the better. Alright, I'm gonna get something to tighten them up real quick. Well, we're gonna try to turn this nut off. Break it loose. Couldn't figure out a good way of putting a handle on it. So I thought I'll just go get my 40,000 pound breaker bar. Push right on the end of there. Oops. Let's try this. Now we can put that on there. We backed it off a little bit. Step on that, see if it'll move yet. But hey, it's broke loose. We'll go ahead and finish taking this nut off. There we go. That's a big nut. Yep. One big nut. One of the pistons, part of it. There's the other one.
FridayParts, fix it once, fix it right.